Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to archive your posts on Instagram and then unarchive them. As well, I'm gonna show you where are usually stored the archived posts. Let's launch the Instagram app first. Then I want you to click on the lower right corner where you see your profile picture. Then I want you to hit the top right corner and hit the three straight lines. Now, usually your posts when you archive them will appear over here on this particular section under archive. This is number 5 on the list. When you click archive, this is where you will find your post that you are archived, and you can change it by clicking on the top center by sorting them through stories that you archive, posts that you archive, or live that you archived. Well, let's archive some posts and let me show you how this actually works. Let's go back to our profile. Let's say we want to archive this video over here. All I'm going to do is to click on the top 3 dots on the post. Now I'm going to select the third option, which is archived. Okay, we go back to our profile, refresh, the post is no longer here. Now we're going to go to the folder where we have our archives, which is over here in the menu. And now, as you can see, the video is over here. It's not easy way and common sense to unarchive the video. This is why I'm going to explain to you. Because a lot of people are coming here, they're clicking on the video, and guess what? It's not here, right? All you gotta do is to put your finger on the video and hold it. Then you're gonna get this option which says show on your profile. When you click on this one, well, boom, the video disappeared from our archive folder. If we go back to our profile, refresh, and guess what? The video is gonna be here, right? This is how easy it is to archive and unarchive posts on Instagram. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and come back for more.